In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error fetching channel list for account on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can fix this. So now let's go ahead and try fix number one. So what we need to do is sign in and out of YouTube. So go to your YouTube application and then click onto your channel, and then just go ahead and sign out of your channel, or even switch account. So go ahead and click on switch account to a different account to see if that fixes the issue. And also remove the affected Google account and then sign in again with that same account. Alright, the second fix, what we can do is clear YouTube's app cache. So from here, click and hold down the YouTube application, click I to get an app info. From here, scroll down, click into storage and clear cache, like so. Alright, another fix we can try is open up YouTube, but what we can do is go to our profile and turn on incognito mode. And now go ahead and check if the issue persists while using incognito mode. Another fix we can try is go to a Play or App Store and search for the YouTube application and make sure you have the latest software version. If it says update, go ahead and update your app. You can also try and check YouTube in a web browser, open up Google Chrome, Safari, etc., and then sign in to see if this issue still occurs. Also, if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching networks to mobile data or vice versa. This helps if the error is due to connectivity issues. Now, if you're still facing the problem, I suggest restarting your phone and even reinstalling a YouTube application.